Are you a normal driver, or do you drive in severe conditions? The answer may surprise you. Many common, normal driving actions, such as going to work, dropping kids off at school, or going on vacation, can all be considered severe driving by your vehicle's manufacturer, causing your vehicle to need additional maintenance beyond what's suggested by the manufacturer. If you regularly drive your vehicle in any of the following conditions: stop-and-go traffic, extreme heat or cold, fully loaded, towing a trailer or boat, engaging in frequent, short commutes, driving in mountains or hills, driving on dusty, muddy, graveled, or salted roads, then your vehicle needs a higher level of maintenance. Your vehicle's fluids will break down faster and its systems will be more stressed. We offer BG Premium Maintenance Services with fluids designed to remove dirt and contaminants from your vehicle's systems and protect longer against fluid breakdown. Ask about our premium maintenance services powered by BG Fluids and Equipment today.